what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I'm here with Shaylin and we are going to be testing out my curly hair routine on her wavy hair.
I'm excited.
You sound thrilled. You really do. She doesn't really try to take care of her curls, encourage her texture or anything like that. 99% of the time her hair is usually like this. It's just up in like a little messy updo sort of thing. So I thought today would be fun to test out what I typically do to my curly hair and test it out on her more wavy hair. My hair is about like a 2C to 3B depending on where you look in my hair. I've got a few different types of textures, and her hair is about 2A, 2B wave.
So over a year ago, we actually did a video like this where she did my hair with all Diva Curl products to see how curly she could get it. But now we don't use Diva Curl, so we're just going to do her hair routine and see how it goes for my hair type.
We're going to obviously cleanse her hair first, and I'm going to go in with the Curlsmith products. I love Curlsmith, and I'm going to be using all of their products on her hair today. Not sponsored, but sticking to the same line. I'm going to use the Vivid Tones Vibrancy shampoo, which is great for like colored hair. She does have colored hair. She did have bleached hair, and now she's gone back to being a brunette, but it is colored, so this will be great for her hair. And then the Glow Perfecting Conditioner. This conditioner is incredible. It has amazing slip, and because her hair is a little bit more on the dry side from coloring it and stuff, this is going to be a really great conditioner, I think, for her hair type. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So let's see what we're working with. Okay, so here is the before. Her hair is extremely long, and she has very, very thick hair. If you look closely, you can tell that she's got some texture in there. She just hasn't done anything to enhance it. That's going to be the goal today, is really enhancing her natural texture. And yes, she's wearing a winter coat. Don't ask me why. Here we go. So you can see here, like she's got some little waves going on in here. We're going to get her cleansed, and we're going to come back and I'm going to style her hair. We are all washed and good to go. She has got a ton of hair. Oh my goodness. The very first product that I'm going to go in with is Curlsmith Weightless Air Dry Cream. This is kind of like a leave-in conditioner, pretty much. We are going to use this first, right there. And this is going to help to detangle her hair and give it just a little extra moisture. So here we go. Her hair is so heavy. Oh my goodness. It's definitely way, 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 way different than mine. I'm just going to go in with my detangling brush. Hold this part. And I'm just going to detangle her section by section just to make sure we are starting off with 0 tangles. Alright, so we've got her all detangled now. If you know me and you've seen my videos, you know that I like to apply my products to pretty soaking wet hair. So I'm going to add water as needed. I like to go in with a cream product first and then a gel for hold. I don't think you've ever used gel on your hair, have you? So. You just used creams. We're gonna go in with these products today. They're both by Curlsmith. We're gonna go in with the Hold Me Softly Styling Balm, and this is gonna help give definition, also give the hair a little extra moisture. This is great for curly and wavy hair, and it has a level 1 soft hold. I'm gonna go in with the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. This is personally one of my favorite gels from Curlsmith because it is very lightweight. So for me, I've got very thin hair, so it doesn't weigh down my curls. But I was thinking, because she has wavy hair, I also don't want it to weigh down her wavy hair, even though she does have a lot more hair than me. So we'll see how this works. Again, this is good for curly and wavy hair, and this is a level 7 weightless hold. I'm going to go in with the cream first, distribute that throughout the section, and then go in with the gel and then scrunch. We're just going to repeat that throughout her entire hair.
That's what you do the whole time you're talking.
So that we have plenty of water.
I think you have enough water.
Very briefly, I wanted to take you guys through the steps one time before I speed this up. So section by section, I'm first going in with the styling balm and just raking that through, smoothing that through the section, using the behairful brush to distribute that product throughout that particular section. And then once that's done, I'm going to go in with the Hydro Flexi Jelly, and this is going to be for hold, and I'm going to do basically the same exact thing. I'm going to rake this through that section, smooth it through, and then go ahead and use the behairful brush to really start to define and kind of clump the hair. So I kind of go section by section and just go through and then scrunch that entire section. And then from there, I do the same exact process on each section throughout her hair. So I just wanted to explain it so that you guys knew exactly what I was doing.
Now that I have product all over her head, I'm gonna have her flip over and we are going to scrunch. I wanna hear that like squishy sound because that means that we have enough water in it. And so I'm just gonna scrunch. She's apparently got a very sensitive head.
She has a heavy hand.
Just learning this. And of course, I'm gonna take my hair repair towel and scrunch some more. And I mean, her hair is super, super heavy, so I'm already impressed with how much curl is actually forming. So the next step is I am going to plop her hair. She's never plopped her hair either. And this will also help to encourage the curl, and it'll help the curl to start to dry in its natural curl pattern. So we're gonna go plop and we'll be right back. We have her plopped right here in the hair repair towel. You guys have seen me do this a million times. And we're gonna let this sit in the plop for about 15 minutes or so just to get it to start drying a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and diffuse and we're gonna see the results. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Pretend like you're excited. You gotta be more excited than that. So she has plopped for, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes now. Ooh, it's looking curly. I'm using my Diva dryer with the Curly Co diffuser. I love this diffuser because you can really get a lot of hair in there and it just holds right there. Stop!
And once again, I just want to explain to you guys my process here before I speed this part up. When I'm diffusing her hair, I'm just starting out with the hover method, which was created by Mains by Mel here on YouTube. You just kind of hover over the hair until you start to get a little bit of a cast, and then you can start to really scrunch up the hair with the diffuser and really dry the rest of the hair. So that's kind of what my process is, just going all around her hair to try to get it 100% dry. Her hair is extremely thick, so trying to get the roots dry was definitely the most difficult part.
Look at what we have here. We have got curls, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am actually obsessed with how her hair turned out. She hasn't seen it yet, so I want to give her a mirror and get her reaction. All right, open your eyes.
Wow. It's real curly. Whoa. Looks like surfer waves.
It does. Look at, and this is with no hairspray. I didn't really do any fluffing with her hair because her hair's so thick naturally. And she doesn't have any layers in her hair. So if she had layers, I think her hair would be even more voluminous and even more curly. This is like insane. Look at this. Look at these curls. I know it's a little bit difficult to see just because her hair is so dark, but this is absolutely beautiful. Like, you've got some nice little, maybe I'd say 2C type of waves. 2B to 2C. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this volume. And that was without really even doing any fluffing. What do you guys think of her results? Do you think she should just stick to her normal styling process? Is this too much work?
Yeah.
What do you think of your results?
I didn't think it'd be this curly, that's for sure. It is a lot of work. I'm trying to decide if it's worth it or not.
I feel like even on camera it doesn't do it justice. I love it.
Especially think if I had layers in it, it'd be way more voluminous. So if I get some layers in it, I'll probably try this and then decide if it'd be worth it to start doing it regularly, maybe.
Yeah, because I would say from start to finish with like the washing, the detangling, adding product, drying, and all of that, it was probably an hour or so. I mean, so yes, it is a kind of a lengthy process, but of course having curly hair typically does be
It do be hard.
It do be hard. But the beauty of it is that hopefully these results will last a few days for her and she really won't have to do much to her hair. So I'm obsessed. I think it's beautiful. Of course, I would love for her to do this every single day.
I like it a lot.
What was your favorite part about this process?
Plopping.
Plopping? What did you like about it?
My head was warm.
Okay. I think plopping definitely helped to kind of give her that extra bounce to her hair too. If you guys have any other video suggestions for Shaylin and I, let us know.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video together.
I love you guys so much, and we'll see you in our next one. Peace out.